All right, abusia. Ayade achema Wontumi honsem na ba bonten. It is alleged say chema Wontumi on the 3rd of July obekwa kopiem ewo prison. Abusia we die ma mekasa wan pese ya yeko na yetie enkomo no mu ankasa enchire mu. Yes. Nia Attorney General ekaye ene ne so ewo court. Nia ruling na aba enunti allegedly abusia omo kase chema Wontumi ebetumi akopie mu ewo Nsawam prison. Abusia we dey ma mekasa wa me ma mekasa enye tenten pese ya yeko na yeti nsem melodies de tudwa. Credit goes to Melodies TV. Abusia no ena de sansem we chema Wontumi nyame adom on the 3rd of July alleged issue ekoso anase bekasa rumors ekoso so betumi akopie mu ewo jail no ono ena de sa breakdown no de abababia asem no efri eba ene ne babia asem no sesi eko ne Attorney General aka ene ne High Court nso abusia omode atudwa we de yenko na yetie enkomo no mu ankasa enchemu emra sesi ebese wa say obe subscribe e de amebo notification bell no so for podcast update that's why a bear media GH. Yeah, that's it.
Chairman Wontumi to be jailed on 3rd of July. That is the question Nkrofo Brenano ebisa. Wohwe NDC for ebia wo mo kasa social media na nsemo ebi mo so kano no. MPP fo bi nso ahyase ekoti se NDC fo ahyase se wo mo kasa saade a na tre se ebia judges no ama NDC for no ehu ruling na die ntia na Nkrofo kasa nsem no die ntia na MPP for ahyase play the victims die ntia na NDC for nso kasa yebeche Chairman Wontumi atom die na akosi me den nsem ni na ebremo and the first time we have Mr. subscribe na click notification bell so we hear the latest news be about wonsa ebeka so assemble na aba and so the latest on Chairman Wontumi case aye ni na yenim and say edinkan na the Attorney General the charges to Chairman Wontumi so say asase ananke ni kwan se wokokotwa ema Nkrofo no wakwakoton asase na ma Nkrofo ma ye di 2 galamsey and then the Attorney General from court proceedings no they were able to put evidence across and they were able to make their points. Now Chairman Wontumi na adwen say nanka court mbo nsem ningu because Attorney General nsem a woka na nyansa anim ba court ne ka se Chairman Wontumi ombie ni defense na mama mo ati asese se court ka se wo bimbie ni defense pe what it simply means indirectly and say asem wa ye dey ato so no ababi wom evidence bi wom nti brabe yi ho ano Chairman Wontumi koye ekokoyi ne ho ano oko witness box mu or present witnesses and all that na wo ha Chairman Wontumi koyi ne ho ano no kra no ensensem bebre bae allegedly okotwa ntro eto interpreter so ewo court allegedly Chairman Wontumi yebisa ne nsem cross examination edu baby asopeso su ene nsensem bebre later a judge ekatre Chairman Wontumi say uwo witness ana witness ben ena wode ne babium na mepese midi ruling eba until later ne behu say Chairman Wontumi the additional witness aba additional witness no or the former Western Regional Minister Otredakun yekofa ne bae ono nso bae no ye ne cross examination ono nso keka nsem bia ase omo a wo ye analysis ewo nsem no so no omo tre a ono nso case a wo ba be ye no it depends on where you are omo ye NDC phone nsem omo kan say abrantie ana MP no MP no ana former regional minister in the case oba be ye ewo court no anhye dan ko ama Chairman Wontumi even though oba say obekasa ma Chairman Wontumi bi mu so tre say papa ne nsem oba be kan no ebebo a Chairman Wontumi ni case nti ho na judge ne ka so okay sisi a watie nsem ni na ewie why ready so be ma judgment na the judgment are ode beba no July 3rd then that me no ka say July 3rd is less than a month away. In less than 1 month, judge the ruling beba. Inti sisia baby edu no, it is either Chairman Wontumi might be jailed. Yebetumi akatre ne say ontie sikebi. Ana say Chairman Wontumi yebeka say onye guilty. Yehenim. But this ruling and our judge no ruling our bemano, it will serve as precedence. Ebimu semo mo can say, if we are serious about the fight against Galamsey, now indeed, you find out say Chairman Wontumi or ye bonia, it was a judge no echinitum. Say judge neka se Chairman Wontumi ye bonina so or man is sika man say wontua dia, then it will hinder the fight against Galamsey or more crusaders are more quintia Galamsey no. That is what some of them are saying. But in less than a month, we will get to know what's going on. But Chairman Wontumi lawyer, Edin Sema Babetuja. Na nsema wodi ababetuja ne bepese ye kenkan na ye hwe. The work and was say defense confident Chairman Wontumi will be vindicated based on evidence. So see omo de omo akukuduro say Chairman Wontumi no ye be vindicate no se wondi bone based on evidence a womo de akone de Chairman Wontumi ndi bone no mo akukuduro say Chairman Wontumi court no ebe rule e woni favor. As a counsel for Bernard Enchibu Esiako, popularly known as Chairman Wontumi, lawyer Andy Apiakubi says he is confident his client will be vindicated when the court delivers its judgment on July 3rd, 2026. According to him, the evidence and legal arguments presented by the defense strongly support their position in the ongoing case. Also, we have put forward our case effectively within the law, and we are confident the outcome will reflect the facts presented before the court. He stated in a telephone interview on Movements in the Morning with Kweku Deuru. Lawyer Apia Kubi added that the court has directed the defense team to file its written address, which they are prepared to submit. He expressed optimism that the strength of their legal submissions would be clear upon review, insisting that the defense remains convinced of a favorable outcome. The case has been adjourned to July 3rd, 2026 for judgment. So basically, this is what is going on. And if you want to understand why some people are saying that Chairman Wontumi will be jailed, why some people are also trying to play the victim, say why are some NDC social media people already saying Chairman Wontumi will be jailed and all that? If you really want to understand what's going on, ascending in any. What do you think? Do you think Chairman Wontumi will be jailed? Not to be prejudicial, but we wait for the courts. Ebusian for a book now at that screen is on your friend the Ghanaian investor. This is your most practical guide. A better senior obe investi ewa Ghana. Now a lot of people don't know, but you will be your friend of the Ghana Stock Exchange. Now Ghana Stock Exchange, who investi ewa Ghana Stock Exchange more. What it simply means, and it's a udi usika invest in some companies be a listed ewa Ghana. Companies be to say a year Ghana Commercial Bank, companies be to say MTN. Into the best investments are any Ghanaian can ever do. Investing in a Ghana Stock Exchange, because on average Ghana Stock Exchange a return revenue and a ROI of 25%. What it simply means is that every single year biano when you crano na 25% if you invest in a Ghana Stock Exchange. This book is going to go take you through how to invest in a Ghana Stock Exchange, how to invest in a Nyamabia your friend mutual funds. Now, aside this, there are 3 other investment firms be a Ghana Hanson Swa, a yes secret and crowdfunding. If you purchase this book, you are going to get to know of those secrets or those investments, and then it's going to change your life forever. Get this book, The Ghanaian Investor. So open book ni out a very simple number na at that book neso 055-807-4986. So to me a fresh number no. Ofra ye best sort out with the book. Obe to me so our WhatsApp number no. So one person obe free and answer one person obe WhatsApp ya. Very simple. On your screen, video now watch this ya no. Obe hum baby ya draw view products. Obe to me a click so obe hum say books ni na ebeba. Now I click a book no version ni 3 video wo ho ni PDF ewo ho ni English video enso wo ho 3 video no eye for wo mo a eye na akenkan eye omoden omo ana wo ntumi nkenkan brofo ni English video enso wo ho akenkan yɛ ɔden nanso pɛ brɔfo a English video wɔ hɔ, PDF nso obi a wɔhwɛ a wɔpɛ sɛ ɔkan wɔ phone so na kyerɛ sɛ bibia eco smooth no nso deɛ ɛne the PDF. So that is also another way you can get the book. So wotie me now you Ghana ni now abrochia, you can just go on Amazon now I search book no the title that screen is no the Ghanaian Investor, into search for book ne title Ghanaian Investor obo say beba na wa purchase na kyerɛ sɛ ya ship e dia bro e wa brochire hɔ. And I say video na wo hwɛ sisi ano ye wo baby e friend the description box e wo YouTube, into your answer obe click more o click more a obekɔ description box ni mu, into kɔ description box ni mu a obehu sɛ ɛyɛ book no ne links ewa ha wati ase o pese o use mobile money a eno ane se wa click sa link na ya tro get my book here for mobile money, get the ebook here na wa click so na unsa aka get the hard copy na wa click so na unsa aka very 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 simple. These are the ways obetumi use edenya book we yento book we ni yehu senia yebetumi invest. Ghana's economy is booming. I personally believe that the next set of billionaires and millionaires, no, they will be coming from the Ghana Stock Exchange. And so take advantage of this, learn how to invest in the Ghana Stock Exchange amidst any other and all other investments and also what Ghana for. Edamuni nase.